Welcome to Creative Tien channel. In this video, we are going to make a fingerless glove on a knitting machine. And this is a very simple project because it's all stockinette stitches. And we are going to make it double layer, so it'll be very warm. The yarn I'm using is a Karen Colorama Halo, the same yarn as a hoodie from the last video. This is a category 5 bulky weight yarn, but you can also use worsted weight yarn and maybe add a few more stitches and rows, depends on the size of your hand. The design is very simple. It's basically just a rectangle. And we need double the width and fold it over so we don't have to knit the ribbon and still have clean edges. The pattern is very simple. I cast on 60 stitches with the highest tension 9, on my LK150 knitting machine. So I have from left 30 to the right 30, and I do the basic E-rub cast on. And I will hang the weight after the first row and continue knitting about 32 rows. If you want it longer, you can add more rows. After 32 rows, I will just put the half of the stitches onto a circular needle. And then rehand it back to the other side. So every needle will have 2 stitches. And then I will hand knit the last row to bind it off. You can also knit a few rows of waste yarn and then take it off the machine and then fold it in half and bind off. So basically we need a double width fabric and then fold it in half, so we don't have to worry about the edge curling up. After taking it off the machine, we sew up all sides. So use a yarn needle or tapestry needle and a long piece of cut yarn, and we can just sew up the edges. And I just use basic whip stitch and pick up one leg of the V from each side. You can pick up the inner leg of the V or the outer one. Just keep it consistent. After finishing the seaming, we can fold it half again, and you can place your hand on the top to see where you like the opening of the thumb. You can put it in the center, but usually it looks nicer when the opening is closer to the top. And then we sew up the side the same way as before. And that's how we finish one glove. And the other one is the same, but when you are sewing it up, Pay attention to the left and right glove. You want it to be symmetrical. So just check it to make sure it matches the way you like before you sew it up. So that's it, a very minimal looking glove or fingerless mitten, or some people call it wrist warmer. And this can be the last minute gift knitting project because it's very simple and doesn't take too much time. The sewing takes longer than the knitting on the machine. I hope you enjoyed this project and see you next time.